Welcome to this tutorial on element-wise equality with np.equal. This NumPy function allows you to compare arrays element by element and discover which values match between them. It's an essential tool for data analysis and validation tasks. np.equal is a NumPy function that compares two arrays element by element and returns a boolean array indicating where values are equal. The result is an array of true and false values, where true appears at positions where elements match and false appears where they don't. The syntax for np.equal is straightforward. First, you import NumPy as np, then you call np.equal with two parameters, array1 and array2. The function returns a result that contains Boolean values showing which elements are equal. Let's look at a simple example. We create two one-dimensional arrays. Array A contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and array B contains 1, 0, 3, 0, 5. When we apply np.equal to compare them, the output is true, false, true, false, true. Notice that true appears at positions 0, 2, and 4 where the values match, while false appears where they differ. np.equal works seamlessly with multi-dimensional arrays. Here we have two 2x2 matrices. X contains 1, 2 in the first row and 3, 4 in the second row. Matrix Y contains 1, 0 in the first row and 3, 5 in the second row. The comparison returns a 2x2 Boolean array showing true where elements match and false where they don't. You can also compare an array with a single scalar value, thanks to NumPy's broadcasting feature. In this example, we have an array containing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. When we compare it with the scalar value 30, np.equal returns false, false, true, false, false. Only the third element equals 30, so only that position is true. Here's a practical application in machine learning. Suppose you have predictions from a model and actual values to compare. By using np.equal, you create a Boolean array of matches. Then you can calculate accuracy by summing the true values and dividing by the total length. In this example, 4 out of 5 predictions match, giving us 80% accuracy. Let's recap the key points. np.equal returns a Boolean array showing element-wise equality between two arrays. It works with arrays of any dimension, from one-dimensional vectors to multi-dimensional matrices. The function supports broadcasting, allowing you to compare arrays of different shapes. And it's perfect for practical tasks like data validation and model evaluation. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.